data structures. First question, create an empty dictionary, fill the dictionary with the product code, product name as paired by the user input. Take one product code as input from the user and traverse through dictionary to find the corresponding product name and display the same. First I created an empty dictionary, products, named products. Then I take a user input from user to get the number of products to add. Then I use for loop to add products to the dictionary. Then these lines are used to take a product code to search. Okay, if I search, okay, then if the product code is there, it print the product name. It print the product name. If the product code is not there, it print product code not found. Then second question, create an empty list, fill the list with the strings by getting user input. Find the list of words that are longer than from a given list of words. First I created an empty list name called words. Then I take user input from user to get number of words. Then I use for loop to take words input from the user. Then I created then get the length. I used a n variable to get the length threshold from the user. Then if the word is longer than n value, it print the word. Okay, first I entered the 3. The number of words entered 3. First I entered CATTD, then COW, cow, then dog. I entered the value of n is equal to 3. The output is longer than 3 is equal to cat. CATT. It's contain 4 words, 4 letters. Sorry. Then create an empty set, fill the set with values by getting user input. Check if a given value is present in set or not. Okay, first I created a empty set values. Then I take user input from user. I take user input from to take input from user to get the number of elements to add. Then I use for loop to add elements to the set. Then I use these lines to get the value to search. First, okay. Then if the value is exists, it will print the output. The value is present in the set. If not exists, it will print the value is not present in the set. Empty tuple, populate the tuple with the values by getting user input. Count the occurrence of a given input number in the tuple. Okay, first I take the user input to get number of elements from the user. Then step 2, the input and store a list first. Okay, tuples. Then I use for loop to enter the elements like 20, 20, 10 like that. Then step 3, I convert the list to tuple. Convert the list to tuple. This line is used to convert to list to the tuple. Then take the number to count. Which number want to count? This line is used to which number want to count. Then I used the function tuple dot count to count the number. Then last print the result. Like I put 20, 20, 10. Another number counting the 20. I put the 20. The occurrence of 20 is equal to 2. Then fifth question, create an 2D array and perform matrix subtraction using NumPy. NumPy is a numerical Python to perform mathematical functions. Okay, first I imported NumPy as a NP. Then I use a user input from to get metric size from user, rows and columns. Then I take user input to enter the elements for a matrix A. So I used for loop to enter the inputs. So many inputs like the A001, A012 like that. Then I used to again I print the matrix B. I used to print enter the elements for matrix A and also use for loop to enter the elements repeatedly. Then matrix A is equal to np dot array and matrix B is equal to I assigned. Then matrix adduction, I take result as a variable, and matrix A plus matrix B, first matrix A, then display the matrix A, then display the matrix A, then in output, then output the output of the sum of the matrix, like this. The sum of A and B is equal to 5 5 2 5. Then 6, create a 2D array using find and maximum elements in the matrix. Okay, first I imported an num5 as a np. Num5 means numerical Python to perform mathematical functions. First I created 2D array matrix, np dot array. I assigned 12 45 78